Welcome to the deep dive. Remember that feeling, like you almost needed a PhD in blockchain just to even dip your toes into decentralized finance, or DeFi.
Oh, absolutely. That
hmm
complexity was a significant hurdle for a lot of people.
Exactly. So today we're diving into how artificial intelligence is starting to cut through all that. It's really reshaping how we interact with finance on the blockchain.
Right. This fusion, people are calling it DeFi. It's potentially revolutionary.
DeFi, I like it. So DeFi always had this promise, right? Transparency, user control. But yeah, it was often a maze.
It really was. And what's exciting now is AI isn't just, putting a simpler face on it. It's fundamentally changing how these financial systems operate underneath.
Okay, so more than just a user-friendly interface, how are these AI agents actually making things simpler for, say, someone who isn't a total crypto wizard? What's the core idea?
Well, it leads into this concept of the agentic economy. Think of AI agents as autonomous software acting for you.
Acting for me, how so?
They navigate the digital world, the blockchain world, without you needing to micromanage every step, your own sort of financial co-pilot.
Okay, interesting. Give me an example.
Sure. Look at Edwin Finance's public AI terminal. You could
Yeah.
literally just tell the AI, hey, swap 3 ETH for USDC,
Just like that, in plain English.
pretty much. Or maybe find a secure liquidity pool and invest. The AI then figures out the best routes, the best rates, manages the risks. It handles the complex stuff.
Wow, okay. That is a huge leap from clicking through multiple confusing interfaces and worrying about gas fees and slippage.
Exactly. It takes the cognitive load off the user.
But you said it's more than just user experience. How is AI making the actual DeFi protocols, the plumbing underneath, smarter?
That's the other really fascinating layer.
Oh.
AI is boosting the protocols themselves. We're seeing it optimize scalability by, predicting transaction surges.
So smoother operations,
Yeah.
fewer bottlenecks.
Right. And security gets a major upgrade. AI can constantly audit smart contracts, flag suspicious transactions in real time, way faster than humans could.
Okay, so scalability, security, what else?
Predictive analytics. Crunching vast amounts of market data to give protocols and maybe even users a kind of foresight. Even optimizing energy use in mining, potentially.
It sounds like a really synergistic thing. Blockchain gives AI this secure, transparent place to operate.
An immutable ledger.
And in return, AI makes the blockchain systems more robust, more efficient, smarter.
Absolutely. Robust by finding vulnerabilities, efficient through optimization, intelligent via adaptation. It's a perfect match, really.
So let's shift gears slightly. What about DAOs? Decentralized autonomous organizations. They often seem to struggle with, managing proposals, treasury funds effectively.
Yeah. DAOs can get bogged down. AI is becoming like a superpowered assistant or even a participant.
How so? An assistant?
It can filter governance proposals, helping members focus on what's important. It can analyze treasury risk, optimize how funds are allocated. Think of it like a 247 CFO almost.
Okay, that makes sense. You mentioned projects like Kava, Moloch DAO using this.
Right? They're exploring these tools. But what's even more forward-looking is AI agents may be participating directly.
Participating, like voting.
Potentially, yes. Proposing things, voting based on preset parameters or learned strategies. It could make DAOs incredibly efficient.
That does sound efficient, but it also raises flags, right? If an AI is voting on how community funds are spent, accountability, transparency.
Critical questions. And that's where the blockchain itself helps.
Okay.
Transparency is built in. Plus, there's a big push for glass box AI.
Glass box, meaning
Meaning we can see how the AI made its decision, not just the outcome. It's not a black box. Explainability is key for trust.
and human oversight is still crucial, I assume.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Humans need to set the goals, the ethical boundaries, and ultimately be in control. AI augments, it doesn't fully replace governance judgment, at least not yet.
Okay. Now, for a lot of people listening, the most sort of tangible place they might see AI in crypto right now is trading.
Definitely. AI trading bots are already a big deal. They analyze insane amounts of data, spot patterns, execute trades super fast.
Automation, precision. Sounds appealing.
It is, but it's not, a magic bullet. These bots need careful setup, careful management. Markets are still volatile. And AI doesn't eliminate risk entirely. It's a powerful tool, though.
And we're seeing projects specifically building infrastructure for this DeFi future.
Yeah, projects like BitSoar, Artificial Intelligence Alliance.
Yeah.
They're working on the foundational layers for more advanced decentralized AI applications.
So wrapping this up, It really feels like DeFi isn't just some passing trend, it's a fundamental shift.
I think so. It's changing how capital gets raised, allocated, governed, all in this decentralized context. The potential is huge.
Especially looking ahead at decentralized AI networks, DAI, AI not stuck in corporate silos.
Exactly. Imagine AI where the data, the processing, the decisions are spread across a network. More secure, transparent, accessible, enabling things we haven't even thought of yet, from healthcare to art.
It really opens things up. Which leads to, I guess, a final thought for everyone listening. As these AI agents get better at managing our assets, even maybe voting in our DAOs, how much of our financial autonomy are we actually willing to hand over?
That's the big question, isn't it?
Yeah, and what new kinds of oversight, what new accountability frameworks do we need to build to make sure we thrive in this AI-driven, decentralized future?
Definitely something to keep pondering.
Food for thought, keep exploring, stay curious, and thanks for joining us on the deep dive.